Well, guys, I'm getting my things ready to work out and shower at Planet Fitness. So I got to get me some clothes together. I don't know what I'm wearing for today, but I got to get something to put on. Good morning, everybody. It's me, Magic Man Wiz. I'm getting myself together because I'm finna go shower and do a little workout. Back on the road again. Yeah. Well, I made it, and it's time for me to go get myself together. Well, I just finished showering and everything. Now I'm about to go to this park. I pulled it up and it's looked like a nice sized park. So I want to check it out and see what it's about. Then maybe cook something. Yeah. Guys, I decided to take me a little walk and take Bill on a little walk. I'm out at this park and it's kind of a nice park. The sun in my eyes. Ooh, got me a little workout in this morning. I showered, and now I'm just taking me a little stroll. Today has mostly been a lazy day for me. You know, just sitting around, editing videos or something. It's been a lazy day. I actually finished 2 books today. I've been reading these books for about a week, and I jumped from one book to the other. And I really finished them both, and was mad that I finished them. But I mean, hey. So I guess I'll start on my next book now. Oh man. Yeah. They out there balling. Bella. Well, good afternoon, everyone. I just finished working out, sitting in the parking lot of Planet Fitness, and kind of exhausted a little bit, just trying to gather myself. before I take off. The sun is shining. Man, it feels so good. Where I'm at now, it's 74 degrees. And it feels real good. It feels real good out here. Just relaxing. I think I'm gonna sit here for maybe 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna go head on and mosey on along. Find something to do. Get active a little bit. Find whatever activity I want to get into. Yeah.
Friend. Bounce that ass like your friend. Trap shorty. Hey, you know.
Well, guys, while I'm sitting here watching this movie on my iPad, I think I'm getting ready to cook something because I'm kind of hungry right now. And I really don't know what I want to eat, but I'm finna come up with something because I haven't eaten today, and it's like 3 p.m. The only thing I've eaten was an orange, so it's about that time for me to get ready to feed my stomach. Yeah, I'm gonna take care of that right quick. Okay, guys, this video is sponsored by Turbo, your neighborhood EG13 electric griddle. This electric grill was gifted to me by the brand Turbo. This griddle for the test. We're gonna make it happen today. This is the Turbo electric griddle. This griddle, it heats to 465 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2.5 minutes. Non-stick surface, portable grilling, and it's energy efficient. Looks like it comes with this carrying case. That's nice. Turbo electric griddle. All right. This is what it comes with when you open it. This is the guide. Set that right there. No. I like this carrying case. This is a beautiful carrying case. Yeah, man, I'm already starting to like it before I even put it to good use. I'm loving it already. Yeah. So what you want to do is slide this out. It also comes with 2 stands that goes on both sides. And it's also magnetized. Now, voila. Just the plug. Plugs up right here. Just like that. I love this case. I love it. Now, what's next? Okay, guys, what I'm about to do now is I'm going to use this griddle to fry me an egg. I was going to make eggs and rice, but I'm just going to fry me an egg. And I think that's all I need for right now. Yeah. This is where you lower the temperature at. So I'm gonna set it like at 200 and see what that do. The neighborhood EG13 electric griddle is the world's first thick film grill with over 95% heating efficiency, using only 300 to 600 watts, far less power than traditional griddles. It heats to 465 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2.5 minutes for fast, even cooking. Precise 100 to 465 degrees Fahrenheit control with 5 degrees Fahrenheit adjustments and dual sensor that reduces smoke and burning. Ceramic non-stick surface cooks with little oil and cleans easily. Magnetic quick connect design with compact travel ready built for RV and outdoor use. It's also compatible with RV outlets, portable power stations, generators, and solar power. Rugged vibration resistant design with built-in safety protection. I truly love this griddle. Thank you, Turbo, for having me test this merchandise out. Now it's an add-on to the rest of the appliances that I do have. Thank you so much. I advised everyone to get one of these things. I mean, it's very nice to have. I will be using this quite often. This is gonna really come in handy for my daily cooking. If this is something that you would love to have, the link will be in my description. Have fun grilling, everyone. I'm sure you'll have a great time. Okay, guys, if this griddle is something that you would like to have, the link will be in my description below. I think you should have this griddle, especially if you live the van life, you're RVing, or just camping out. You can even use this in your homes. I really like this. I really do like this. Try it. You would like it too. This is perfect for that occasion. Yeah. Okay, guys, well, this is what I decided on. Raspberries, blueberries, and some eggs. This will be my snack, really, until I get ready to cook something else. I also got some watermelon too. I will be eating this too in a minute. That's my dessert, even though I'm still eating dessert. But these raspberries, I can never understand. Well, I look like it got hair coming out of it. It really looked like it got hair on it. Wow. Strange, but I know it's healthy. It's just something about blueberries. I love blueberries. Blackberries too. This is just something to hold me over for right now, up until tonight. I mean, it's good. I need to get back to eating healthy like I used to. Fresh banana, it does the job too. Now y'all see how I eat every day. Ain't nothing like some good watermelon. I love watermelon. I think melon is the best fruit for my body because I love it so much. I think watermelon is my favorite fruit. Because I can eat this all day long. Kick back. Enjoy the view. And eat on watermelon. Well, after eating all the fruit, I done got full. Now I'm just sitting here bored. It's things that I can be doing, but it's like I choose to be bored or something. Just enjoying my front view. I'm sitting back chilling. Gathering my thoughts mostly. Oh man. It feels good, really. I can kick my feet up, put my toes in the air, and just sit here for a moment and reflect on how beautiful today is. Just unwind and just sit here and think. You know, I've been working out in Planet Fitness. I've been getting my body back together. Like I said, I want that bedroom body, and I'm gonna get that bedroom body. You know, I didn't slimmed up just a little bit in the stomach, you know, and I like my body size. I like my body weight, and I want to continue to have this size. You know, with having diabetes, you know, you wanna eat right, you wanna maintain a healthy diet, you wanna do all the things that you need to do, you know. And I truly believe and strongly believe that me having diabetes was one of the best things that could have happened to me. And notice I say one of the best things that could have happened to me. Only because if I wouldn't have got the blood work done and got a complete physical, all type of complications could occur. But due to me going to the doctor, get complete physical blood work done and everything, I was able to find out, and I actually caught it way before time. And I've been taking care of myself ever since. And due to diabetes, it caused me to eat right and, like I say, maintain a healthy diet. And now I'm able to stay slim and trim. And now it's time to get my body fit. It's time for me to broaden my horizons. You know, when you're young, you doing all these things, you're not taking care of your body, you eating all these different foods, and it's not hitting you up here that these foods is damaging parts of your body. And I really believe that things that happen to us, sometimes we cannot see it right then. As time goes on and moves forward, that's when we figure it out that, man, like, you be so upset that this is happening, and as time goes on, you realize that you could be thanking God for what happened to you. I know two things for sure that I was very upset about, and as time went on, I was able to thank God for it. When I was younger and I did that time, I was so mad and so upset because of I had to go. I had to leave loved ones. I had to leave the streets. I had to leave everything behind and go do that time. But during that time I educated myself. I worked out. I tried to stay fit, but I was not eating the right foods anyway. So, I mean, exercising and still not eating the right foods, I mean, it defeats the purpose. But me sitting it down for those 5 years, it taught me a lot. It really taught me a lot. And how fast that I was moving, oh my God. Oh man, he knew what was coming in ahead of me. He knew what was in front of me. Let's just say that. It wouldn't have been a bright picture for me. So me sitting here now, I'm kind of glad that I got locked up because I was moving so fast. Oh man, I was moving like a rocket. Oh man, that money was coming. It was just, I was moving too fast. So he set me down. Now I thank him for doing that because I'm able to sit here and talk about it. And the second thing is me having diabetes, because if I didn't realize I had diabetes, I still would have been eating all the same foods. Probably would have had heart problems right now. I probably would be diseased with something. And I got diabetes and I'm in control of it. This is a sickness that I'm in control of. Other sicknesses that's out there, you don't have any control over that unless you eat a hearty meal or have a hearty diet. You have to eat right and do the things that's necessary to stay healthy. So with those two things, I really thank God for it, because I would have never got my body right. It would have never happened. I was too big. I was 270 pounds at one time. And that's too big for me. Now I'm at 220 and I'm happy and I'm satisfied. A1C is at a 7, but I'm trying to get it lower than that. I'm just trying to do all the right things. And I know I'm going to be able to get it below 7 once I really get in this gym and start doing everything I'm supposed to do. It's one thing about me, when I want something, it's nothing that can stop me from getting it. I mean, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna always keep going because it's something that I want. Me being in the gym, working out, I'm gonna have that beach body. Yeah, after being out there in Florida on that beach, I gotta have a beach body. And also, I gotta make sure I got that bedroom body. Yeah, man, I gotta have a bedroom body. Man, I gotta have that chest. I want that chest to sit out, boom. Like you women be having them big things. Yeah, I want my chest to be manly. I want that thing to pop out. I want to be able to move it from side to side. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna have that bedroom body. Yeah. Just in a couple months, I'll be all right. You know, I just stay in the gym. The good thing about it, I'm able, I can shower after and, get fresh, get clean. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. But me just sitting here, just enjoying the view, like I said. And I never knew that parks was like this. I mean, some parks it's crowded and they out there, they working out, they playing ball, they getting physically fit. And then some parks, they just laid back and they just chilling, Like this park I'm at right now, I'm just chilling, letting the air flow through. And just sit back reflecting. Yeah. The only thing that I can see that I really don't like too much is the fact that I've really secluded myself from like really having friends.
It get lonely not having friends, especially when you're used to having them. Well, I'm not gonna say used to having friends, but used to having people call your phone, used to having people irritate you by some of the things that they say. You know, you miss it and you don't miss it. When you sit back and you reflect on things, you start thinking like, your phone don't ring no more. Your text messages don't come in like they used to. And then you realize one thing. It's peaceful. No one bothering you. It's peaceful. So I think I take peacefulness over loneliness any day. I can handle being lonely. But when you're not in peace, your whole mind is in turmoil. You constantly going through things because of other people. I don't want that. No way. I'd rather be lonely and peaceful. Yeah. That special woman coming this way. Yeah, man. It's just that I gotta open that door, man, and allow someone to walk in. That's all. I don't be letting people walk in the door. That's what it is. I think I just know what I want. And that door is gonna stay closed until I actually get what I want. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let me stop reflecting, man, before I go too deep in conversation. Yeah. There'll be a lot of women out there be attracted to me. I know it is. But I need y'all to get right here with me first. Don't just look at me and just be thinking things. I want y'all to look at me for my mind. That's what I want. So for all you ladies out there that's attracted to me, stop looking at the outside appearance and different things. I want you to look at me for my mind, I do have a mind. I joke a lot. And I like intelligent and very intelligent women. So, you got to match me. When it comes to this up here, I need someone to match me or have more up there than what I have. And we're going to get this ball rolling. Yeah, man. When I started this journey, I truly did not expect the things that was to come. I'm really enjoying myself. I did not expect for me to be happy inside like this. I did not expect to smile as much as I smile. I didn't expect to hold conversations with strangers. I didn't expect to skip time zones. And most definitely, I didn't expect to go from state to state to state to state. I had to get out my comfort zone. And I did that. Just camping and, going to campgrounds, just, sleeping in my van. And, it started getting boring to me. I wanted more. I needed more. And it's like, the more I see, the more I want to see. I didn't expect none of this. I did not see this in my path at all. I just wanted to live out in the woods. Just do something different. I didn't expect to travel nationally. Didn't expect that. But what's for you is for you. And nobody can take it away. There's no one can take away what God has planned for you. Get on your path and be free. Be free. Let your mind roam and be free. Get away from all the distractions that's holding you back from setting your mind free. You can do it. You can do it. I love my life now. I love my lifestyle. I don't care how people look at me. I don't care how people look at me because I live in a van. Their opinion does not affect me at all. Because whatever person has something to say, they probably stuck wherever they're at, whatever level they're on, or, you know. I like living in a van. I love waking up in a different state. I love waking up looking at beaches. I love waking up looking at different scenery. I love it. I'm a very adventurous person now. I love it all. Well, guys, I'm finna get to this movie. Well, it's not a movie. I'm finna watch Cat Williams' stand-up comedy thing. And I'll get with you guys in a minute. So with that being said, peace, love, and happiness. I'm the Magic Man Wiz. Free yourself.